In this guide, we're going over how you can use the hydroelectric turbine here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the main thing that you're looking for is an area with flowing water. So go ahead and make your way over to an area with like flowing water or slipstreams. Either of those two things pretty much means the exact same thing. And what the heck is this? I've never seen this before. What the? I'm over near the alien power plant, but these are going to be located pretty much everywhere in this location. So just keep that in mind. Really everywhere in the ocean, because this is a new thing for Subnautica 2, is going to have the flowing water. And this is the flowing water that I'm talking about right here, by the way. Essentially, what you need to do is set up your base kind of close to one of these things. So like over in this area would work. Obviously, that means, equipping this, setting up a room. And of course, once you have that room, what you need to do is then go ahead and get yourself those hydroelectric turbines, and you need to place multiple of these inside of this little flowing water. It'll tell you like 12 as an indication showing how much power it's going to give you. You're going to want to keep multiple of these in here, and they'll go ahead and automatically adjust just like so. I'd recommend placing multiple next to each other. Once you have multiple placed next to each other, there's going to be a specific range before they start to like cut off or whatnot. So then what you need to do is go ahead and get yourself a power transmitter. Go ahead and place one of those power transmitters down. And then I'd recommend placing another power transmitter right on top of your base. And if you get close, it's going to snap right on there. Boom. As you can see, we now have power just like so. And you'll see these power lines pretty much connecting just like that. But yeah, that's really the full process right here. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.